John and Brian, we're going through all of our food plot blends and explain the why. The product we're going to be talking about today is Inner Sanctum. Inner Sanctum, when we first started doing research and development on it, we planted it by just overseeding inside of woods on the Giro farm, an area that's not been cropped or worked ever previously. The mix has evolved a little bit over the years, but basically it's a blend of annual clovers. The two annual clovers stay green to 10 below zero. They're the most attractive forages to deer according to Mississippi State Deer Lab. High yielding. They yield about 2 to 3 times higher than a traditional ladino type clover. We do have a ladino clover. We do have medium rye clover. We do have Alside clover. And then we do have a nurse crop being spring triticale, which is basically seed bulk, because this mix is designed for a lot of these small plots, kill plots, and it's basically able to act as a nurse crop, a companion crop, but also bulk up the seeds so that people get it at the right level. And then lastly, we have an inclusion of Giro forage brassica, which is multi-grade. So again, if you plant it in the spring and you clip it once or twice or even 3 times throughout the year, the brassica is going to regrow. It gives you exposure. It gives the deer exposure to getting used to the forage brassicas, especially on properties where maybe brassicas have not been planted before, or they're a newer forage to deer. So Inner Sanctum is wet tolerant, shade tolerant, drought tolerant, super fast growing, and it'll be about 1.5 times the yield year one, the year of planting, than a common clover type blend. It's a powerhouse for your shady woods edges, but again, it can handle some full exposure out on some of these fields, but we prefer to keep it on the edges in the shadier areas. Inner Sanctum.